Is AI art going to replace traditional art jobs like graphic artists, illustrators, and web designers? And the answer is no. Projects like Big Sleep and Dolly are going to replace jobs the same way that template websites are going to replace art jobs. Yeah, resources are readily available to cut corners and do a lot of the work for you, but you're still going to need artists to do the majority of the bulk work, to fine tune things, to create prompts for those AI generative projects to actually function. You need artists to make the system work. The benefit is actually just having them around to use as idea generation. I mean, instead of using Pinterest, where you're setting in a set of search key terms, use an artificial intelligence to create a bunch of starting mock ups for you to make your life a lot easier.